car after my heart right here, folks. Mercedes E350 2009 trade-in at Hennessy Auto Group, which is Lexus, Land Rover, Jaguar, Honda, every brand basically. 128,000 miles. It's in pretty good shape. It's got a little grease smudge right there and a little dent, but we're sporting some Bridgestone Potenzas all the way around. She's a clean little car, 4 Matic. Got a nice tint on the windows. Let's check her out, see how she sounds. Oh, got a rough driver's seat. Yeah, and I can see where someone's died it previously. That's all right though. The rest of the interior looks good. Look at this. Look at this, man. It's really in good shape overall, other than just that driver's seat. Let's see how the hell she runs. She may run like crap. You never know with these, man. They're hit or miss. Huh. Not too bad. Dude. She runs really well, actually. Let's turn on a little climate control, make sure that's working. That's always up. Wow, Harman Kardon. Got heated seats. Nav. Of course, it's the 4 Matic. Let's drive it around the little block here. Wow, she's really pretty smooth. Motor mounts feel good, which is always a big question on these things. But motor mounts feel good for 128,000 miles. She's got some go. She'll roll. Yeah, baby, she'll roll. Yeah, this is a sweet little car. It's in great shape. Runs really well, shifts very smooth. Oh, guys, is this something I should bid on? Oh, is this something I should bid on? Oh, man, I'm a sucker for an old Benz. I've never had a 4 Matic, though. But this one feels pretty good. I mean, I'm driving an Audi Quattro, so what the hell's the difference, huh? No, I'm not going to stop to put my seatbelt on. Yeah, pretty good little E350. Got cold air. It's really, really a nice car. I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. Whoever owned this took pretty good care of it. It's a shame the driver's seats is ass whipped as it is, but you know, you can always, those can always be fixed up pretty easily. Now, where the hell did I find this thing? I think it was right here. That was the only rule here at the auction house. The lady said, just be sure to put them back where you got them. Okay. We'll do that. I bet it doesn't have a backup camera. Nah, too early for that. You'd have to go to 2010, I bet, to get that. Wow. Nice little Benz. I'm very impressed. Shoot, yeah. Got a nice tint on the windows. Oh, yeah. I like this a lot. All right, guys, we'll keep our eyes out for this one tomorrow. Peace.